area that's separated from the others. This is a really cool turbonaria. It's turbonaria biothrons. As soon as Australia opened up and they started shipping out from the west coast, I was really excited about the species because it's the only turbonaria that will grow kind of a flat plate growing up, a vertical plate, with polyps, core lights on both sides. And you can see the original flag right there in the middle of the bowl, as well as around the rim, where the rim is just starting to kind of buckle and create those really fun, iconic wedges. So this guy has been a really long time coming, but for sure the most unique turbonaria in here is going to be our Turbonaria huronensis. So we've got a classic kind of light green colony up there. I've got almost a bluish, really branching style underneath the harita that probably deserves to kind of get pulled out of there, get manicured a little bit. And a really, really awesome one. That's a green grafted specimen that I got from Jason Fox. Again, probably about 4 years ago, because I've had that longer than the studio. And I wasn't super hot about it. I asked Jason for that, but I wasn't hot about it initially because I almost just was convinced that the green was going to spread throughout the entire coral, but it hasn't. And it's just one of the most unique corals in the studio. It is one of the most unique turnarias in the studio, and by far it is the most recognizable huronensis that we have here at the studio. Before I jump into some of the more obvious, noticeable corals here in this particular aquarium, I just want to give a little shout out to the guys that are holding down the floor. So we have 3 different astroporas. This is a normal kind of astropora randolide that has the bright green colors. You might see graduate around oftentimes this label as a monopora or something or other. So this is a cool one. You get a lot of light, but it's kind of a brighter edge, but very fast growing. This is a streaking kind of grafted astropora. It's got some weird branches that I try to encourage and foster them to branch a little bit more. Astropora almost never branches, but there are a couple species that do branch. And when this